everyone, this is Monica and I'm going to recreate the Sonam Kapoor bridal makeup look on her, and I'm starting with the embroidery screen. It hydrates the skin in the most perfect ways. If you're somebody who's got dry patches, this is the cream that you need to invest in. The next step is I'm applying the Indulger Rose Gold Oil just to hydrate her skin. And I'm just kind of carving the brow from below. I'm not doing anything on top, and I'm going to spread this all over the lid. I'm using the MAC paint pot in soft ochre to do the same. I just set it with a little bit of powder so that any of the colors don't crease on her eyes. I'm using the Huda Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to start with this really pale pink color in her crease. I'm just building the color with a slightly more darker color that's in the same palette, only in the crease. And now I'm going to apply some darker color. I'm going to do a little brown, and then I'm going to top it with black. And now just a gold eyeshadow all over her lid. So I don't see any crazy winged eyeliner on her. Sonam's makeup is all about hydrated skin. I'm using the Sea Soul HD Professional Hydra spray on her skin just to hydrate it to another level. I'm applying the LA Girl primer. If you really see, I'm a big fan of LA Girl and Makeup Revolution products. I think the products are really good and complete value for money. Ready? I mixed a peach and orange corrector from LA Girl again, and just going to apply it on her under eye. Oops, and I totally forgot, I have to apply my Cover FX highlighter as well, which I'll just do right away. And I'm sorry guys, I totally forgot to curl her lashes and apply mascara. I always like to do it at this point. You can always do it later as well. For that gorgeous highlight on the skin, I'm using the Cover FX drops. There is an amazing dupe for the same product with Makeup Revolution also, and those products are available for sale at my studio. just applying the Makeup Forever foundation. If you're looking for good, affordable foundations also, I totally recommend the LA Girl foundations. I think they're brilliant value for money. And I'm just going to highlight her face. Again, I'm using LA Girl concealers for the same. I'll mix two shades. I'll mix light ivory and porcelain. Just a little bit of contour. Bit of highlight on the bridge of her nose, and now I'm just going to highlight her cheekbones. I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle for it. The Too Faced Something About Berry. Sonam likes her eyebrows really natural. Her makeup artist Namrata Soni does not really frame them or anything, so I'm just gonna fill them up with a brow powder. So now I'm going to seal the look with the CS Essential Mink Lashes. I'm using the style Jennifer. This is for everyone's information who's watching my video for the first time, that we've launched our own brand of lashes, and our brand is called CS Essentials. You can follow us on Instagram, and in case you want to buy lashes, our lashes are very affordable and well priced at 750 rupees for a mink lash pair and 160 rupees for a human lash pair. Okay, talking. So if you see the lashes, I've not used anything very crazy. Our mink lashes in Jennifer are our most basic mink lashes. Very, very good for hooded eyes as well. And just a line of kajal. Just going to add a little bit of brown eyeshadow right there below the kajal. So her lipstick, in some images it appears a lot red and some it appears more pink. So her lipstick is not really pink or really red. So I'm just going to mix a shade of pink and red and create a color. I'm using the Color Bar lip liner in shade Rosy Red. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I'm just going to mix two of these colors and create a color which I think fits in. I could be a little wrong. Please excuse me if I'm not doing justice to it.